how to add half plus 1 by 3. Okay, I will show you 2 or 3 methods to add this type of fractions. So let me show you the first method. Okay, look here, to add this fraction our first target is to get common denominator. So here 2, this 2 is common, but this 3 is not common, right? So to make all the determinants, or to make all the denominators same, we have to apply our common sense. So look, if I multiply this 2 by 3, then I will get 6. If I multiply this 2 by 3, then I will get 6. And if I multiply this 3 by 2, then I will get 6. So if I get the same denominators, then it is very easy to add this fraction. So look, if I multiply here by 3, then I will get 6. If I multiply here by 3, this 3, then I will get 6. And if I multiply here by 2, then I will get 6. Look, if you do something to the bottom, then the same thing you have to do to the top. So here you have to multiply by 3. Here also you have to multiply by 3. Here you have multiplied here by 2. So here you have to multiply by 2. Now look, 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 6. And here we have 3. Here we have 3. And here we have 3. So we know that if you get the same denominators, then the addition of this fraction will be another fraction, and that denominator will be 6, same denominator, right? And the numerator will be the addition of the numerators. So here 3, and here 2, right? So we are getting, look, 3 plus 3 plus, that is 5, 8 over 6, right? So here is the answer. But this is an improper fraction, look, because numerator is greater than denominator. So usually if we get improper fraction, then we'll try to convert this improper fraction to the mixed number. So we have to divide 8 by 6. 6 goes into 8 2 times, sorry, 1 times, right? 1. So I will use this 1. So 1 times 6, that gives us 6. If you deduct, then I will get 2. And this 2 will come as the numerator of the fraction. So if you convert this improper fraction to mixed number, then you will get 1 and 2 over 6. So this is the answer, right? Okay, let me show you the second method so that you can have clear knowledge. So let me delete these things at first. Okay. So look, our target is to get same denominators. So here we have 2, here we have 2, and here we have 3, right? So look, here 1, 1, 1. So here look, we have 2, but we are missing here 3. So 2 times 3. Here we have 2, so we are missing 3, so we will multiply by 3. Here we have 3, right? And we are missing 2, so we will multiply by 2. If you do something, then something will come to the bottom numerator, right? So we're getting here 3 over 6 plus 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6. So we're getting here 3 plus 3 plus 8 over 6, and that is, if I convert this improper fraction to mixed number, then I have to write this. Sorry. Okay, so let me divide 8 6 1 6 2 2 over 6, right? That is 1 and 2 over 6. Okay, so look, I can reduce this fraction. That is, if I divide this 2 by 2, then I'll get 1 over 3, right? I can reduce this, but here I will not reduce. Okay, I can 2 over 6 according to formula, right? So this is another method. So let me show you the third method, so that you can have clear knowledge. Look, my target is to get same denominators, right? So to get the same denominator, I have to find out LCD, that is least common denominator, and I will get this least common denominator by LCM, that is least common multiple. So I will get least common multiple by letter division method. So I will add 2 2 3. So I have to write like this, right? So if I will write like this: 2 2 3, right? So I have to take here a small number that will exactly divide at least 2 number from here. So I will take 2. If I divide this 2 by 2, I'll get 1. But 3 is not, I cannot divide this 3 by 2 exactly. So I will carry out this 3, right? So here I will not get any number that will divide at least 2 without 1. So now I have to multiply this number 2 times 3, that is 6. So our common denominator, that is LCM, that is least common denominator, I will get least common denominator by taking LCM, and I will get LCM by the letter division. So 6. So to make this 2 to 6, what can I do? I'll multiply by 3, right? And here to get 6, I will multiply by 3, and here to get 6, I will multiply by 2. So this is very simple, right? 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 8 over 6, that is 1 2 over 6, and this is the answer, right? Okay, let me show you another method so you can do it more quickly. Look, here we note same denominator. So look, here 3, here 2, here 2, 3 2 2, same denominator. That is, we have to find out LCD, least common denominator. So I will find out the multiple of LCD means smallest, least common multiple. LCD means least common multiple. So look, the multiple of 3 is 1, 3, then 3 times 2, that is 6, 3 times 3, that is 9, that is 3, 6, 9. The multiple of this will continue, 3, 6, 9, 12, right? 2. The multiple of 2 is 2, 4, 6, right? 2, 4, 6, and this will continue. The multiple of 2 also will be 2, 4, 6, and LCD means the least common multiple. So here least common multiple is 6, 6, 6. Look, 2 is not common to these three numbers, right? And only 6 is common to all, and 6 is shared by these three numbers. So our LCD, or least common denominator, will be 6. So to make, look, so to make 6, I will multiply these two by 3, and I will multiply these two by 3, and I will multiply these 3 by 2. Then I will get 6, right? So if I multiply here by something, that something will come to the top. So we are getting here 6, 3 plus 3 plus 2. So that is 8/6. And if I convert this improper fraction to mixed number, then I have to write like this. I think you have gotten the clear idea actually to add these three number. Okay, let me show you the third method, right? Look, I think this will be helpful to some extent. Here we need to common denominator, but here these two fraction has common denominator. So at first I will add these two fraction, that is common denominator 2. So we have to just add the numerator, then I'll write this. So we are getting here 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2 plus 1/3, right? So we are getting here, look, 1 plus 1/3, right? So to add these two numbers, look, I can rewrite this 1/1 plus like this, right? To make it, so here we have denominator 1, but here 3. So to get here 3, what can I do? I can multiply here by 3, right? And these 3 must come to the top, right? Okay, so now we have 3 common denominator. Now we need to add this 3 plus 1. So we are getting here 4/3, right? 4/3 means 1 and 3. Look, we have gotten 8. Previously we gotten 8/6, and if I convert this improper fraction to mixed number, we are getting 1/2, 1 and 2/6. If I divide these two by 2, then I'll get 1, and if I divide this 6 by 2, then I will get 3. So answer is similar, right? I hope, believe and expect that you have understood these things. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.